What's up, my YouTube gang? It's your girl Sydney, and I'm back once again with another reaction video. And today's reaction video, I'm going to be reacting to television service Cancellation Meltdown animated by Ownage pranks. This man is the real deal. But the original video is in the description down below. If you don't want to watch this video, please feel free to go down there and click on the original video and watch it. Well, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So this lady hates her television provider. She's frequently on the phone with them, yelling at the top of her lungs. I figured it'd be a good idea to call her as a supervisor about an outstanding bill.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm looking for Kenosha. My name is Tyrone. I'm a supervisor here at Dish Network. I'm following up on a call.
What?
Right now, you have an outstanding balance of $235.72.
Wait a minute. What outstanding? No, I don't. Because when I talked to the Dish Network person beforehand, my bill is barely $100 every month.
Hey,
so you
please,
tell me what's up.
Yeah, I got you, but boo-boo, please just lower your voice a little bit. I do not see a payment in the system right now, you know what I'm saying? So we will have to disconnect service temporarily, boo-boo. That's what I don't want to do right now, but if that's what we got to do, that's what we got to do.
You can go ahead and turn my Dish Network on, because then I'm going to turn around and sue you guys.
Baby, look, I realize, right, but we had a
I'm not your baby.
Boo-boo, can you not try to, like, be so...
I'm not your boo-boo.
You screaming at me, so I'm trying to calm your ass down, girl. That's all
I'm not screaming at you right about now. This is my voice. That's how my voice is regularly.
That's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear that, man, because I thought you was screaming at me. My bad.
No, if I get to screaming at you, this is the way I scream at you.
Listen, that's totally fine.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. I believe we did get disconnected a moment ago. I just wanted to go ahead and give you.
No, we didn't get disconnected because I hung up the fucking phone on your ass.
Oh my, baby.
Because you're going to tell me that I sat there, I got a bill. I don't have no bill.
Hey.
I pay my bills on time.
Damn.
You talking about disconnecting my Dish Network? I'll call the motherfucking Dish people my goddamn self.
Damn, girl, you spitting all over the place right now. Relax, boo-boo, relax.
I'm not spitting all over nowhere. How the fuck you know what I spit or what I don't do? Go and grab my ass. I'm a woman.
Kenosha, boo-boo, listen.
This shit is funny.
No, why you keep calling me boo-boo, goddammit? My name is not boo-boo.
Can I call you Bertha? Is that cool? It's another endearing name of mine.
Call me what? My name ain't but no damn Bertha. I don't want to talk to you no more. I'm finna call Dish Network.
Right.
I'm finna give them a piece of my mind. So what is your name again?
Do you want me to have them call you back from the official 1-800 number? I can have a supervisor call you back in about 2 minutes.
Well, you can have them call me back in 2 minutes then.
All right, thank you.
Hello?
Yes, hello, ma'am. My name is Rakesh. I am supervisor here at Dish Network. How are you doing today, ma'am?
Right about now, I'm a little perturbed.
So, I have a note here. Which name do you prefer to be called it? I have note from Tyrone here says Kantosha and then Bobo.
What? There ain't no damn boo-boo. You know what? I'm calling Dish Network my goddamn self. Because I don't look like no Kenosha boo-boo.
I will call you Bobo if you want me to, right? I respect it.
I don't no fucking boo-boos.
Look, what I can do for you, Bobo, I can offer 10% off as a
You know
one-time...
what? I got no fucking boo-boos.
Okay, sweetheart, I will... Okay, is that okay?
I got no sweetheart.
Yeah, but I'm sorry, I just
Oh,
in the notes here
shit.
it said that if you want, I can also try to do both. I can say Kenosha Bobo if that helps. Whatever you want.
You know what? You can take your phone call and go stick it up your ass, because I'm going to call the 1-800 number and call Dish myself.
Yeah, but hello, I can look.
Thank y'all for watching. Don't worry, I apologize
Oh
if
my
Boo was
God.
doing iron.
Oh my goodness. The hell no. The animation makes it 10 times funnier. Like, that shit is crazy. But the original video will be in the link down below. If you would like me to react to more videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.